Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope that you are able to join some Zoom meetings with your friends and with your teachers in other classes. Thanks for those students who joined my Zoom meeting this week. I was really happy, really excited to see your faces and talk with you guys for a little bit. So, I want to tell you guys what you're doing for this week's at-home work. So for ESL 4.5, click on your Google Classroom and click on your classwork. So let's open up this assignment. So this assignment says recording a dying language, video and questions. So I want you to watch this video right now, and then after, you are going to answer the questions and watch the video, Marie's Dictionary, in this Google Slides document. So let's open up the Google Slide document. You guys can present. And now you guys can see the Google Slides much bigger. So this says recording a dying language. It's a film called Marie's Dictionary. Okay, so the background. So this film tells the story of Marie Wilcox, a Native American woman who was in the last fluent speaker of the Wukumi, and a dictionary she created that documents the language. The Wukumi tribe is part of the broader Yokuts tribal group native to Central California. The tribe has yet to be recognized by the federal government. As many as 50,000 Yokuts lived in the region before European contact, but numbers have greatly diminished. Today, it is estimated that fewer than 200 Wukumi remain. UNESCO estimates that half of the 7,000 living languages spoken today will disappear if nothing is done to preserve them. In the United States, many Native American languages are struggling to survive. More than 130 of these languages are currently at risk, with 74 languages considered critically endangered. According to UNESCO, each of these endangered languages preserve priceless cultural heritage. Preserving the Wukumi language has become Marie Wilcox's life. She has spent more than 7 years working on the dictionary. The language is now being taught to tribe members at a local career center, yet the language still struggles to gain traction and move beyond an elementary level. Through her hard work, Marie, can't see this. Marie hopes that her dictionary will support the revitalization of the Wukumi language for future generations. All right, that's the background of the video. So before the video, I want you to answer the questions. Number 1, what is the most commonly spoken language in the world? You guys, you can guess or you can look it up on Google. 2, what is the second most commonly spoken language in the world? What is the third commonly most spoken language in the world? Do these languages surprise you? Explain why or why not. So guys, just go and type right onto this spreadsheet. You might have to exit, and then you can start typing. Okay, some more questions. Do you speak the first language of your parents or grandparents? How does language provide a person with a sense of identity? Do you feel different speaking or listening to your first language? Explain. So do you feel different if you're speaking Spanish or Portuguese Vietnamese, or French Creole? What if English disappeared? Would it be better if everyone learned English or just one language in the world? Why or why not? Okay, so here is the video. So you'll watch Marie's dictionary about the dying Wakumni language. So this is Marie. So now questions for after the video. So again, please read and answer all of these questions. All right, so that's all I want you guys to do. I think this video will be interesting for you. Next week, I'll be on Zoom again, and I will post my hours on Google Classroom. Email me, text me on Remind, Google Voice, text me if you guys need anything at all. And if you guys are celebrating Easter, I hope you have an awesome holiday. Bye, guys.